The February 2020 HBC News has the following remarkable contents. Hoa Binh Construction Group is determining for the beginning of the year to accomplish these set targets. Initiate the first project in Lao Cai province, marking Hoa Binh's presence in 47 out of 64 provinces. Hoa Binh Charity Golf Tournament raised VND 930 million for Lee Mong Dao Education Fund. The following is the detailed content. After Lunar New Year holiday, all construction departments, member companies and subcontractors of Hoa Binh Construction Group returned to work and filled with enthusiastic and a high determination spirit, together with the board of directors, brought Hoa Binh to complete the 2020 plan. The invitation of Panasonic Life Solutions Vietnam, Hoa Binh Construction Group paid a visit to Panasonic exhibition in Bangkok, Thailand. Here, the senior leaders of the two sides shared the vision, strategic goals, and affirmed their determination to develop a comprehensive and long-term strategic partnership for the production and research to produce more products such as housing, products and equipment in Vietnam in order to service the domestic market and expand exports to the global market. On February 26, 2020, HBCG and Orange Beam Construction, STN PhD, signed a Development Cooperation Agreement. OCBS is a Malaysian contractor that successfully built many high-rise buildings, infrastructure and maritime infrastructure projects in Malaysia. According to the agreement, the two sides will work together to build infrastructure projects, especially maritime infrastructure projects in Vietnam and Malaysia, as well as develop affordable housing in Ho Chi Minh City. On February 27, 2020, HBCG and the General Department of Vocational Education under the Ministry of Labour signed a cooperation agreement on education development. Accordingly, the two sides will promote activities on assessment, certification and national construction skills testing, which will help Hoa Binh to be more active in the process of issuing construction practice certificates to officials, employees and subcontractors, as well as access to competent, skilled human resources. Grand World Phase 2 Shop House in Phu Quoc by HBCG as the main contractor was accepted and put into use by New Vision Real Estate Co Ltd as committed to the contractor's progress. Although the project is far away with many difficulties and hardships, the staff and the higher-ups of the Grand World project put in great effort and have successfully completed the assigned tasks. On February 13, 2020, HBCG commenced construction of Lady Hill Resort Sapa International Standard Luxury Resort project. The project is invested by Bin Tien Consumer Goods Manufacturing Company Limited. This is a complex project with a working area of 22 hectares, of which the central point is the Lady Hill Resort Sapa Hotel with one basement, 5 floors, with modern design and close to nature. This project marks the presence of Hoa Binh in 47 out of 64 provinces. Hoa Binh Charity Golf Tournament was a success at Hilltop Valley Course with 160 golfers competing. After 2 consecutive successful years organised, this year's tournament has been improved with meaningful fundraising activities with a total amount of 930 million VND. The entire amount will be converted into scholarships by Lee Mong Dao Education Fund to help poor students overcome difficulties throughout the country. The current situation is about the shortage of blood from blood banks. HBCG has cooperated with Kien Giang General Hospital to organise a humanitarian blood donation program, Loving Pink Drops 2020 Phase 1 in Phu Quoc. The program attracted the participation of numerous Hoa Binh employees, subcontractors, suppliers and investors in Phu Quoc. All valuable blood units collected from the program will be taken back to Kien Giang General Hospital to support hospitals currently in serious shortage. As soon as the epidemic broke out, HBCG implemented the safety measures throughout the group. At the construction sites, employees are checked for body temperature, equipped with masks, disinfectant solution, spraying and spraying disinfectant. The inspection and supervision of the health of employees is closely monitored. At the same time, the group also supports female employees with VND 1 million per person to cover the cost of taking care of small children during the time of school break.